Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with my another video, and guys, welcome back to my fourth and my last class of getting to know about how to get the fuller lips. There are many ways to get your lips fuller. Like the first one is getting some injections. Like everyone is doing that. हर किसी को देख लो वो lip injection से अपने lips को pouchy बनाते हैं. Okay, so the second step is like some lip balm, like lip fuller lip balm. Like one is from MAC, which contains some peppermint in them. Like when you put it, automatically the lips looks fuller. So the fourth one is like shotguns, where you suck your lips into some glasses. I think that method is really so messy. Like if you don't do in the right way, your tissues around your lips gets damaged, and I think that is some messy job, and I'm completely against that. Okay, so the fourth is, which I know is, and which I'm going to show you, is that I just usually do mild lipstick, really putting on some lip liners and lipsticks automatically, like this much. And so why to waste much time, let's jump into the video. ओके गाइज, मैं सीधा स्टार्ट करूँगी अपने लिप लाइनर से, बिकॉज लिपस्टिक विदाउट लिप लाइनर इज़ रियली बैड. हमें जब भी लिपस्टिक लगानी है लिप लाइनर के साथ ही लगानी है, बिकॉज दैट्स द वे कि आपकी लिपस्टिक डजंट ब्लीड आउट. सो आई हैव सम न्यूड शेड्स लाइक आई रियली यूज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू लाइक आई डू रेगुलरली. So starting from my lip balm, and usually lip balm which we got from markets, I'm using that only, and putting on some lip balm on. So guys, इससे होता क्या है कि हमारा जो भी ब्लड होते हैं, जो भी ब्लड सेल्स होते हैं, वो gets back into the lips and it provides hydration to our lips. तो आप पहले लिप बाम लगाओ, उसके बाद सारा मेकअप करो like you do, and after that take a tissue and just remove it in the direction 2/4 2/4. You can see guys, my lips are already looking so little bit plumper, and I'll be plumping it more. So after the steps, use this beauty blender and dab it so that it blurs out your balm. Okay, after this I'm taking the lip liner, and I'm going to use this shade, which is in this shade Icon. I don't know, but it's a mauve color. So guys, आप जब भी lip lining करते हो, you had two lip lines, like what you actually see and what I'm going to create for you guys. बहुत लोग जो भी लिपस्टिक्स लगाते हैं, जो लिप लाइनर्स यूज़ भी करते हैं लिपस्टिक से पहले, उनकी लिप लाइन कैसी होती है वो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is what other people do, but what I'm going to do is, there are two lip lines like what people do, and the second one is this. You can see the white area here above your lip line. I'm going to collect this area also in my lipstick. So you can see there is a huge drastic difference between this side and this side. You can see by lip lining the above area, your lips get plumped automatically, and this side when you just put on the line which your lipstick shows. So I'm going to show you how to cover this area also. You can see the automatic part. So guys, when you are drawing your lip line, make sure कि आप अपने lips को lip liner से ही बिल्कुल अच्छे से cover करें, because when your lipstick gets dried off, sometimes जब lipstick हट जाती है तो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल blank space नहीं रहेगा. There will be something under the lipstick. Okay, so next I'm taking my lipstick, which is this Color Queen lipstick. So I'm putting this shade. So guys, when you are done with your lipstick part, come back towards your lip liners so that you can create the perfect shape which lipstick doesn't give. So using the lip liner again, I'm creating the perfect line like this. So you can see my lipstick has been done. You can see my lips are looking so plumped and looking so pouty. So guys, I hope you get to know how to do the fuller lips, how to get the fuller lips, and the tips and tricks starting from how to get the perfect base to how to get the fuller lips. I hope you guys liked this series and loved my classes. So guys, comment down below and tell me what more videos you want me to do for you guys. Before going, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.